Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we have dupes video for you. First up is the Milani All-Inclusive Eye, Cheek and Face Palette. This is a perfect dupe of Charlotte Tilbury's Instant Look Face Palette. It features a bronzer, a highlighter, a matte blush and a shimmer blush along with 3 eyeshadow shades. Next up is the Master Chrome Highlighter by Maybelline. This is in the shade Molten Gold. This one is extremely pigmented, reflective and easily blendable at the same time. The perfect dupe I found for Dior Backstage Highlighter. Next up is this liquid highlighter by Maybelline, again in the range Master Chrome. This is a perfect dupe of MAC Strobe Cream. Let me just show you the swatch of it. And bam, it's so pigmented and reflective, and this one is also very easily blendable. Next up is this liquid highlighter by Makeup Revolution. Now this one is the dupe of our cult favorite iconic London highlighter. This one has a dropper applicator. So let me just show you the swatch of it. Looks pigmented already, right? So let's blend and check out. This is again very reflective and pigmented. This one is more towards the pinky tones. The Master Chrome one is also a little on the pinkier side, but this one has a little more pinkier shift to it. This is apt for all fair toned and light toned skin people. Up next is my favorite e.l.f. Putty Primer. This one is the perfect dupe of Tatcha Primer, the very infamous primer, and both of them have absolutely identical consistency. Let's check the blendability of it. As you can see, I'm using dabbing motions and rubbing motions at the same time. This is so easily blendable and completely vanishes into the skin, making it smooth, blur and whatnot. Next up is this e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is a hydrating concealer, comes with a dough-shaped applicator. So very easy to apply. Let us check its consistency. This one applies really smooth and you can see that it has a little bit glow to it as it has a hydrating formula. Blends really nice into the skin and provides the good coverage at the same time. Next up is the Milani Conceal Plus Correct Foundation. So this is a lightweight buildable formula that you can wear as a full coverage as well as a medium coverage. Let's look at the consistency. So this appears a pretty decent coverage foundation that you can wear on daily basis also. You can mix it with a moisturizer to make it into a tinted moisturizer. Very easily blendable and very good color range also. This has a pretty decent coverage. After blending, I can say it's a buildable foundation. Up next is my favorite Hydro Boost Moisturizer by Neutrogena. This has a gel-based consistency and has a good hydrating effect. You can see the glow that it provides instantly, and it works as an amazing base under any kind of makeup. You just can't get enough of this glow. Next up is the Lakme Iconic Eyeliner. This has a felt tip applicator which makes it very easy to apply and maneuver over your eyes. Perfect dupe for any eyeliner that is in the higher range. As you can see, it swatches so nicely and it is also waterproof. This is the blackest black drugstore eyeliner I have found till now. Next up is the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara by Maybelline. So this is again my favorite mascara. As you can see, the wand has very widely spaced follicles, so it is very easy to apply over the lashes. It swatches in very thin lines, that means it is very easy to apply and a perfect dupe for any high-end mascara.